everyone. I am going to teach you how to find the least common denominator. So Ms. Bird should have went over what a least common denominator is and then what the word simplify means. Now we're going to be looking at how we can find that. I'm going to use the example 2/3 and I want to compare it to 1/4. We're going to take the denominators that's given to us. For example, we have 3 and 4 and make a t-chart. You can also hear this term as a least common multiple because what we're going to do is find the multiples and find the smallest one they have in common. So let's go ahead and skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And then do my 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Now I could continue. However, I'm going to stop right here because I'm going to look for the smallest one they have in common. 12 is going to be the smallest one they have in common. What I'm going to do now is, since they have a common denominator, is I'm going to change both of these fractions to have the denominator of 12 using the power of 1. So what I like to do is set up 12 next to it. And I'm going to use my power of 1. So think to yourself, 3 times what equals 12? Well, look, we did it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. For it to be a power of 1, I need to do the same thing on the top. 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to use 8/12 as my new fraction to compare instead of 2/3. I'm going to do the same thing with my 4ths. So I need to find 4 times what is 12. Let's use our chart. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do multiply by 3 on the top. 1 times 3 is 3. And put it here. So I'm going to use 3/12 instead of 1/4. Now the reason we are getting a common denominator is because I'm going to compare the same sizes. Now both of these fractions show that they have something split into 12 pieces. I'm going to draw a picture to help represent that model. Okay. These are the same size pieces, so I can compare easier. 8/12 is going to look like this, and 3/12 is going to look like this. I can easily compare fractions that have the same denominator by looking at their numerators. I'm going to say that 8/12 is larger. Now, if you ever look at an answer choice, this is not what you're going to see. This just helps you get there. You are still going to see the original problem, which was 2/3 and 1/4. Since 8/12 equals the same as 2/3, we're going to say that 2/3 is larger than 1/4. All right, guys, you are going to be practicing this all day today and even tomorrow. So if you have questions, ask Ms. Bird. She'll be happy to help you. Take your time and do your best.